Migrating tasks from Trello to Microsoft Planner can be done manually or with the help of third-party tools, as there is no direct integration between the two platforms. Here's how you can transfer tasks. Manual migration. Create a plan in Microsoft Planner. Start by creating a new plan in Planner. Go to Microsoft Planner, select New Plan and set up your project. Recreate Trello cards in Planner. Open your Trello board and manually recreate each card as a task in Planner. You can copy and paste task names, descriptions, and deadlines from Trello into Planner. Create buckets in Planner to match Trello lists. In Planner, tasks can be assigned to members, given due dates, and move between different buckets. Use third-party tools. Use tools like Trello to Planner or Zapier to automate the process. These platforms allow you to set up workflows that sync data between Trello and Planner. For example, Zapier can automatically create tasks in Planner when new cards are added in Trello. Import CSV. Export your Trello data to CSV format and then import it into Planner using a third-party tool like Power Automate to map CSV fields into Planner tasks.